back to my channel, J Scott Beauty. Well, today I have an almost done face. As you can tell, it's kind of a neutral, natural, summery face. There are a few products that still need to go on, and I have them right here. So I've been on kind of an ordering binge lately, but it's all products that kind of go together. Now, I always want new brushes. I love new shapes, sizes, fluffinesses, and that's where BK Beauty came in. I've been watching Lisa J makeup for a long time on Instagram, and I follow her also on YouTube, and she has her own line of makeup brushes. She has a makeup sponge. She even has an eye palette, which is beautiful. However, right now I'm kind of in a brush mode, and looking for shapes, sizes that I don't have, is these three totally popped out to me. So this brush here, this is the 108. This is the precision powder. I think this is going to be great for just like doing concealer powder right under the eye or anywhere where I want to really target gently, but give a precise look. I'm super looking forward to this brush. And let me tell you, these brushes are soft. I mean, soft. You never want anything scratchier that's going to drag your makeup or make it patchy. Something this soft is an absolute dream, and that's why they're worth the money. All right, this one here, the number 7 flat blush brush, super intrigued me. So as you can tell when you see the profile of it, it is kind of flat. It does have a domed surface, again, super soft, but for a blush brush, it is super unique, and I cannot wait to give it a try. And here is the 104 Tapered powder brush. This one is the one I'm using today. I am super interested in this brush. Now, I'm going to be using a new palette, and you'll see it in a minute, but I think this is going to be absolutely perfect for doing precision bronzing work. I'm super looking forward to using this. Now, all of these brushes are in the $30 range. I did get a code when I signed up. It was my first time making a purchase on the site. I believe I used code BK10 and received 10% off my order, which I never pay full price. But what was even better than that, I placed my order, and literally 45 minutes later, I got a confirmation that it was shipping that day. I mean, talk about service. And then I had it, I think, 4 or 5 days later. I mean, for being like an indie brand from a YouTuber / Instagrammer, she is on her game. And so far, these products are gorgeous. All right, now the reason this whole video is happening today is because of Wayne Goss. So I've been following Wayne Goss on YouTube for years. He is a legit makeup artist. He's not like a YouTuber, Instagrammer makeup artist. He's a real live makeup artist. He is based out of the UK, and if you follow him on YouTube, you know you love him. If you don't follow him on YouTube, you better. He gives the best tips, tricks, techniques, pointers of anyone. His videos aren't very long, and beyond that, like, his soul just resonates with me. He is a sweet, loving, compassionate, smart man who has been through it. He has suffered his fair share of lows in life, but couple that with his extreme talent and his work ethic and the beautiful products he puts out, you can't help but love him. He is just the real deal. His products, well, we're going to see today. I'm so looking forward to trying them. Now, when I first came upon him years ago, he had a brush line. He still has the brush line. They are all handmade in Japan by Japanese brush artists, and they're of the utmost quality. Now, I never purchased any of his brushes because they were so expensive, and I just made my first brush purchase. Now, this is his number 18 eyeshadow brush. It's $27. It's for crease work, detailed work. As you can tell, it's flat, but it is also super soft. At first, when I saw like the white fibers, I was a little concerned that it was going to be that scratchy goat hair, but it's not. It is super soft and super silky, and I cannot wait to get using the heck out of this. Now, the reason today's whole video has come together is because he just released this product. It is his Radiance Boosting Face Palette. So this palette was just released. I got it on Beautylish. It was $45. And sometimes I have this like mental block in my head where I'm like, oh, I'm buying something from Great Britain. Oh, I'm buying something from Korea. It's going to take forever to get here. Honestly, those things are the ones that get here quickest. This is the same sort of situation as with my Lisa J. Like, I ordered it and I had it like 4 or 5 days later. Now, I haven't even opened it yet. Look at these are fresh fingerprints. I haven't even touched this yet. I haven't looked at it. We're doing this together. Now, this palette does come in 3 different shades, and in each palette, you get a bronzer and a sculpting color. So I got it in the light gold. The other 2 colors are satin bronze, which is a medium tone, and deep copper, which is, of course, deeper. Oh, perfect. Well, first of all, you're going to see like my whole setup here, but this is a gorgeous, big, super high quality mirror in here. Wow, super impressed by that. But beside that, look at the pan size here. I mean, those are generous. The nice thing about that is you can literally get your brush in there and it's not going to get into the other color. I love generous pan sizes. These are the things that makeup artists know what they want, and when they make their own products, they make sure they get them. This is why I love getting products that are made by makeup artists. All right, so as you can see here, there is a cool sculpting color, which we'll use for just a little bit of contouring, and this beautiful light bronzing shade. Now he says there's no shimmer or glitter in here. It just has its own gentle luminosity, which I am totally looking for. I'm not in the mood for like sparkly bronzer right now. I just want to glow. So as you can tell, today's makeup is pretty basic. I just wanted a nice kind of glowy summer face. So I am giving the Fenty Eavesdrop another shake, and I am again using from Rare Beauty their soft pinch dewy cheek color. And of course, you know, if I'm buying something, I'm buying as much as I can from a site, and I got 2 of Wayne Goss's lip products. So the first is the Essential Lip Pencil. This is in the shade Natural Berry, and it was only $14, which honestly is a super duper bargain for a lip pencil. So this is supposed to be a pink with a little bit of a brown undertone to it. So it's going to be very natural. Oh yeah, definitely perfect for me. And it's an actual pencil, so you will sharpen it for a precision point. And of course I got a lip gloss. This is his High Shine lip gloss in the color Cherry Blossom, which, as you can tell, looks like a very nice neutral pink shade, which is always my jam. All right, let's see here. So with this lip color, or with that lip liner, oh my God, yeah, that's some juicy gorgeousness. All right, let's do what I came here to do. We're gonna go into my Radiance Boosting Face Palette. We're gonna do a little bit of contour, just a little. All right, because I'm not sure how pigmented this is, I'm gonna go in lightly, tap off, and we're gonna go under the cheekbones, just to give us a little bit of shape. Oh, it's nice and light. And then I'm going to brush up. There we go. Just a nice light shadow. Super pretty. And like, it's not at all like contoury. It's just very natural. Ooh, I like that very much. All right, let's get the other side. Same thing. I'm going right slightly above the hollow of my cheek because I want to raise my cheekbone. And then I bring the color up. Now I only have a little bit of the dewy pinch color. I'm going to go over top when we're all done with another cheek color, because I just didn't want to have blank cheeks to start off this video. Just to see, let's just go down the sides of the nose a little bit. This is not, you know, your classic contour. This is me just trying this stuff out for the first time with you. It's so subtle. It's not patchy or streaky. It's really beautiful. Here's the thing. This is why I love brands by makeup artists, especially makeup artists that have been around forever and really know what they want and what they don't want in their products. This is so good. So good. Okay, so that was in the shade Soft Taupe, and now I'm going into the shade Soft Gold Glow. Yeah, give me Soft Gold Glow. And I'm going to be using my BK 104 brush. I'm super excited about this. Okay, here we go. All right, got it on my brush. And I'm actually going on my cheeks because I want a golden glow today. And bring it up and around. This, yeah. It's so buildable. And there is a sheen, but it's not. Now, see, you're looking at me and I have a ring light and I have 2 other lights. So there's a lot of light on me that normally wouldn't be on me. So I don't know if you're seeing high shine. I hope not, because in person, this is not shine at all. This is just luminous. And you may be like, luminous, shine, what's the difference? There's a difference. When things are luminous, there's just like a soft glow to it. Whereas if it's like sparkly or glittery, it's just like, you know, all over the place and flashy and not delicate and natural looking. This feels natural to the nth degree, but yet so beautiful. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Now here's the thing. I don't even know if I would use blush. Like, this is so pretty on its own that I am so fine not even putting on any other blush. Having, you know, that little bit underneath might be nice to peek through. But topping it off for every day, I really don't think I need to. Holy shit, I love this. Now, of course, I have no affiliations with this at all, but honestly, I think you need to go to Beautylish and order this. It's smooth, it's beautiful. Oh my God, I'm in love. Okay, just because I can't help myself, I'm gonna put just a little bit of cheek color on. Now I want a matte shade because I have enough glow with the bronzer. I don't think I need much more glow. And I am going to use this flat blush brush from BK Beauty. And I'm going to use this here very soft pink that I use pretty frequently from Makeup Forever, just to give a little bit of, oh, there we go. Yeah. And P.S., this brush, way more than I expected. And there we go. That's all I need. Well, maybe just a little bit up here, because you know I can't help myself. And a little bit here, and a little bit here. You know I'm not a less is more girl. Holy crap, I love it. We all know my hair never plays nice for videos, but today at least my makeup is playing nice. But I think it's mostly Wayne Goss that's playing nice. Damn girl. All right, let's get to these lip products. I do have on a lip plumper. I'm trying to find lip plumpers that aren't like stingy, burny. I really don't like those at all. Right now I am trying out one. Where is it? Right now I am trying out one here from ColourPop. It's called So Juicy. I don't know. This is my second time trying it. We'll see. All right, the Essential Lip Pencil in Natural Berry. Let's go, girl. Now, this might be more pink than what I should have for this look, since I'm going for kind of, you know, that golden glow for summer. But these pinks are my shades. I can't help it. The next time I order, though, I will get one that's a little more natural. I promise. Now, I mentioned in my last video that I am overlining my lips a little bit now because I am seeming to be losing a little bit of fullness and volume in my upper lip. And the funny thing is because I have like such a deep V here in between that when I kind of fill that in a little bit, it makes my lips look super overlined. But that's honestly only because I have such a deep V here. Other than that, I'm not really overlining that much. Now, this lip pencil goes on very creamy, very smooth, and I'm actually dragging it and filling in a little bit. I'm not filling in my lips entirely, just a little bit. Yeah, this is a perfect natural pink for my lips. I don't have any shade that's like this at all. Really like it. All right, and now for the lip gloss. It is the High Shine Lip Gloss in Cherry Blossom. All right, here we go. This has a really nice amount of pigment in it. It doesn't look over pigmented to me. Feels good. Has just like a little hint of mint. Ooh, yeah, this is right up my natural lip alley. Yeah, I think this is the perfect kind of summer golden, like give me a little bit of glow look. I love this. At first I was like a little iffy on the eavesdrop, how I felt about it. I didn't feel like I was getting enough coverage from it, but I think that like everything put together with the contour and the bronzer, I think it's just pulled it all together and it really looks lovely. I hope it looks that way on camera for you. I am still having an issue getting this background lit. I'm kind of bummed because I think I'm going to have to get rid of this and get a different color. I think it's just not right and not lighting well. But who cares? Look at my face. I mean, This feels like a summer golden glow for this pasty girl. All right, so I used 4 of my, I don't know what I have here, 7 or 8 new products today, and I am super happy with these. The lip gloss feels really great. It's cushiony. It's not like sticky where I'm like, it feels gross. It feels very natural and lovely, but it also feels like it is probably going to stick around for a little bit. Yeah, I really like that. And the shades in this palette. Do you have an itch, Griffin? Do you have an itch? Are you done? Are you done? Okay, thank you. Super glamorous up in here. So the shades in this Wayne Goss face palette, I am in love with. They are perfect for this pasty girl. And I think if you're not as pasty as I am, either of the other 2 palettes, the satin bronze being the medium toned one, will be great for anybody. When you're thinking about it, you're like, oh, $45. But looking at this and wearing this, it is so worth the $45. I don't mind spending the money. Well, it's not my favorite thing, but I don't mind spending the money on a really great product that is going to elevate my look. As long as my, game keeps going up and up and up because my age keeps going up and up and up, I don't mind spending the money. It is very often true in makeup. You get what you pay for, especially when you get it from an amazing brand like Wayne Goss's. Yeah, I just kind of want to sit around and glow all day. This is freaking pretty. You know what? He also mentioned putting it on your collarbones. Now we all know I got a lot of hyperpigmentation, but I'll glow wherever I can. Beautiful. Gosh, and this brush, it is perfect for bronzing. I love it. Love, love, love this brush. It is not every day that I love every freaking thing that I purchased. Today, I love every freaking thing that I purchased. Now, these items were not sponsored, gifted, anything like that. I paid for them with my own money, and I'm going to keep on buying things from both these lines because I'm blown away by the quality of both of them. All right, if you have any questions or comments about what is happening on this here face today, leave them in the box below. If you want to know about any of the products I have, leave me a comment and I will definitely get back to you. Oh, and I do want to mention, here's the thing about comments in the box below. So YouTube tries to filter out some words, and I'm not sure exactly which ones they are, but so that you're not getting super hate comments, which is great. And I was also able to put in certain words, keywords, that if someone puts them in a comment, then I don't see the comment at all. Because honestly, I'm not here for the hate or the shade or the negativity. I'm just here for some glimmer, glow, sparkle, and shine. Who needs some hate? Not this girl. I am way too old to be sitting around reading that kind of nonsense. However, in doing so, I have realized that some comments may get filtered out because some people may use the word in a way that's not negative. And if that's the case for some of you, I am sorry that I haven't seen your comments or responded back. If I see your comment, I definitely respond back. I had a lovely comment that I received from a girl, I believe her name was Alicia, the other day, and I saw it in my notification, so I was able to read a little bit of it, but I couldn't read the whole thing because when I went to my actual comment section, it wasn't there. So I don't know if that was, something with YouTube where they took it out or didn't allow me to see it because of a word that was in there. But I do want to say, as long as we're all using our nice words, I will definitely respond. But if you call me something like a bleep, bleep, bleepin', I'm not going to see your comments. But for each and every one of you who do take the time to reach out to me, I am so grateful. I love to hear from you, and I do love to respond back to you. Well, I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, tell your mom. She might enjoy watching some of my nonsense. I want to thank you so much for being with me, and I'll see you real soon.